All right, it is 7:15 p.m. This whole day I've been kind of strategizing and planning how I would make AI effective for Haven of Hope, Colorado. I have a FaceTime with my babies at 7:30. It is 7:15. I gotta fly, absolutely fly around these days. So let's see how effective we can make AI. So earlier today, and you'll see these videos after this one because I work backwards. I made an AI loop out of crayon. We're going to engage Google Form, go to Sheets, hit Zapier, optimize it with GPT, go to a Google Doc. We're going to upload this information of Haven of Hope to my Vertex AI conversation agent. We're going to set it up so it can log conversations with customers, ask them questions or donators, because you guys better give them money. I can say that, he can't. And then we're going to use all of that information. We're going to put that in the chatbot with the Vertex AI on my website. So my website has that info too. We're also going to use generative AI to pump out some content in a Zapier interface so that Cameron and his team can use it. And this thing's going to be in a full circle constantly. All you got to do is engage people. Okay. Here it is. 5 p.m. I got 14 minutes until I get to FaceTime with my babies. So let's rock and roll. First things first, here is a Google Sheet I've made. It's not very hard to make these puppies. You can just go in, create a question, real easy here, just duplicate it. What can we do for Haven of Hope? Really easy. Make a question. They got a whole bunch of different ones, different options for what you want to do. It's great to collect these easy, free tools, right? To engage people because it's got to be free, easy, quick, right? And everybody's got to be able to use them. Everybody can use a Google form. So what I did is I sent that. Well, I've connected it. We got to check this out. So you got to connect it to a Google Sheet, but it'll be right here in responses. So questions, responses, connect in sheet, settings. I'll show you what I got here. I do not want your email. I don't want your contact information. I don't care where you live. The stuff that was important, I mean, even a month ago, this tech came out end of September. So 2 months ago. So the old ways of thinking, I don't care about your email. Don't want it. I don't want any of your old data either. I want all the new data, the new interactions. Okay. Why is this important? So let's check out responses. That's in Sheets. Here's the sheet. This is the category we got to pay attention to. Whenever you're going to do something, make sure it's going to have that auto timestamp on it, because then you can take this table and put it into BigQuery. So what is that? It's going to take all of your old stuff and all the stuff that you're currently doing, if you want to put the old stuff in it, but it'll put all the stuff from today forward. Machine learning, tell you how to get better. Looker Studio. Guys, this stuff is on Google. Get on it. Okay. So we got 12 minutes, no more BSing. So here's the Google Sheet it's connected to. I have sent it to my email. So watch this, fill it out. What's your name? Jack Amity. Raise money for good people. They work hard and people need resources in the winter. Great people, great cause. Love each other. All right, submit. Boom. I'm going to be flipping around screens. I'm going to be doing everything, but it's all right. We got to fly. I mean, it was already there before I refreshed, right? Okay. Fantastic. Now, what do we do after it goes to that? We go to Zapier, because Zapier is automation. It's built. It's effective. Use it. And guess what? Zapier uses. You see these little stars? You see them? Look at this. Bard. Huh. The big dogs have it. They've already been using it. You just get to catch up now if you want. But here's what I want to do. I want to take when a new row is created in Google Sheets. write a response with my dude, chat GPT, and upload it to Google to a Google Doc. Generate powered by AI, because everything's going to be, it already is. If you don't accept this, you're just going to get smoked. Huh? How about that? Try it. All right, let's get to it. I got 9 minutes. Choose. Count that AI dude. Continue. Spreadsheet. It's amazing how it knows this. Huh. Because everything's connected. I don't want them to have my data. Yeah, okay. Who doesn't have your data? You've been carrying around it in your pocket the last 10 years. Look at that. Yep, we got a record. GPT. So you're going to have a GPT account and set that up. And I can go into more detail on that later. So user message. Hello. Here is some information about the team at Haven of Hope, Gould Center, Denver. Boom. All right. Memory key. I am not collecting emails, but I'm going to use the memory key as a name. You can collect emails for that. That's really a good advantage of having an email as a memory key, but I don't want it. So if you put your name, great. I don't know if it's required. If it is, just put your name. I'm gonna bug you. All right, username, Haven of Hope. Assistant name, JAI. Haven, 8 minutes. Haven of Hope, virtual assistant. Yeah, close enough. All right, instructions. So what we're gonna do, you're a helpful assistant to provide with information on Haven of Hope. Okay. Let's see, that's not right. Expand on the information that provided on Haven of Gould Center, Denver. Here is some info on Haven of Hope. 7 minutes. All right, so we got to go to Haven of Hope. Mission. Boom, boom, boom. We're gonna go. Is this about us? No, that's not the right one. Ways to get involved. About. Boom, right here. Grab it. Let's go. All right. Let's get this in here. Don't have to space that out. 6 minutes. Here we go. Expand on. Boom. Share the positive of. Boom. Spread the word and expand on. Boom. And make sure to wrap it all up with a warm message about. Boom. What's something positive for the world to know? We got to move. We got to move. 6 minutes still, 2048. We're going to expand that temperature. We're going to bring this down because I want that to be a little bit more accurate, but a little creative. Test it. 5 minutes, 5 minutes. All right. Continue. Choose. Google Docs. Go. text or data, conversation. Boom. All right, the reply. Let's go. All right. Okay, continue. Test. See if I need a title. All right, boom, publish, 4 minutes. Okay, now, so we have that. It is rocking and rolling. When something gets published, let's go see if it's there. Docs, boom. Oh man, we got some Haven of Hopes. All right. Now, 4 minutes. I have put together, I've taken the liberty to put together some information on Haven of Hope because I want this to be in my Vertex AI conversation. So anybody that needs information on a Haven of Hope or wants to donate, they can just ask my AI chat agent, right? And we'll get it done. So I've put together my own information on there from their information on the website. We're going to go over to my website. I've put together a little page. We're going to add text. We're going to add a paragraph. We're going to make this puppy big. Boom. Boom. I got 3 minutes. So you guys are going to get the lightning version. Look at that. All the information. Boom. Put together. So easy it is. Save. Publish. All right. Now what we're also going to do, I'll show you this. So this is the important thing about having the information on your website or in a data store. If we come over here to my Vertex AI conversation, we are gonna, these are the flows. Wait till you see this thing grow. All right, manage. We got a new intent. Haven of Hope. Tell me about Haven of Hope. Okay, just put in one right away. Few minutes. Save it. Entities, create one. Haven of Hope. Haven of Hope. Haven of Hope. J. Gould. Center, Denver. Denver. All right, boom, save that. Go back to your intents, get a couple more in. What is Haven of Hope? Learn more info. Haven of Hope. Boom. All right, we're going to save that. Always save anything with the save button. Haven of Hope. Boom, all the way to the bottom. Boom, all the way to the bottom. Nope, up top now because it learns. All right, boom. Haven of Hope. Save. Build. New flow. Create flow. Haven of Hope. Boom. We're going to come over to the start page. New route. Haven of Hope. Flow. New flow. Haven of Hope. Save. Boom. Haven of Hope. We're going to get this start page. Yes. Go back to the default start flow. Boom. We got 1 minute. Flow off. Haven of Hope. Save. And now that I have the information, that's not right, but we'll get that fixed. Important part right now to check out is now that the information's on my website, my chat agent's going to learn it. It's going to be an expert overnight. And in 14 or about 15 minutes, I got to go. I have made a Google form to Conversational AI that will be on my website. And if you don't believe AI is going to change your life, better look out. Do this in 14 minutes. 15 minutes.